Hi friends, welcome to Storytime with Tristan. Today I have not one, but two very special books for you all. Join me today as we read Ellie and the Rainy Day and Cocoa, Tea, and Honey, both written by Kimberly Davis-Peters. Ellie and the Rainy Day. Ellie woke up with excitement. She had so many fun things to do outside and could not wait to get started. Ellie expected to see the sun bright and shining when she climbed out of bed. Instead, there were cloudy, gray skies and the pitter-patter sound of raindrops. Ellie decided that her day was ruined. "Oh no," she wailed. "What's wrong, sweetie?" asked Mommy. "It's raining and now I can't do anything fun," Ellie pouted. "Just because it's raining doesn't mean we can't have fun. Let me show you," said Mommy. They put on their raincoats and boots to head outside. Looking around at the raindrops falling around them, Ellie wondered what fun they could have. Suddenly, Mommy began to jump up and down in a puddle. Water splashed all over them with each jump. Ellie began jumping in a puddle of her own, laughing as the water splashed against her raincoat. They hopped from puddle to puddle, laughing and splashing all the way. "This is fun!" Ellie exclaimed. They giggled the most when Daddy came home and splashed them as he drove the car into the driveway. Ellie wondered what other fun things they could do. Next, Ellie and Mommy twirled their umbrellas and sang to the rain. "Hello, rain, how are you? The sky is gray and raindrops are blue. Soon the clouds will go away and the sun will come out again." Heading back inside, Ellie thought their rainy day fun had come to an end. "Now, I'll make a perfect rainy day lunch for you," Mommy said. Before long, soup and sandwiches were ready for them to eat. "What a yummy rainy day lunch," Ellie said while she happily took a big bite of her sandwich. Later in the afternoon, Ellie painted a picture of herself and Mommy splashing together in the rain puddles. She named it Rainy Day Art. The sun began to peek through the clouds as the rain slowly came to an end. When the rain stopped, Mommy took Ellie by the hand and they went outside. "There is one more fun thing I want to show you," Mommy said, pointing to the sky and telling Ellie to look up high. Ellie looked up and saw so many beautiful colors. She asked Mommy what it was. "That is a rainbow," said Mommy. "Oh, wow," Ellie said with a wide smile. At nighttime, they put on their pajamas and got ready for bed. Mommy tucked Ellie snugly under the covers. With a sleepy yawn, Ellie began to close her eyes. "So, how did you enjoy your rainy day?" Mommy asked. Ellie gave a tired smile and mumbled, "I guess rainy days can be fun after all." She began to snore softly and soon Ellie was fast asleep. The end. Cocoa, Tea, and Honey. Your brown is beautiful, and so is mine. Every brown is beautiful and one of a kind. Some shades are deep brown, like warm cocoa on a winter day. Our browns may be different, but we all like to play. Some shades are like honey, a light golden brown. Our browns may be different, but we can all spin fast on the merry-go-round. Some shades are soft brown, like the color of sweet tea. Our browns may be different, but you can jump rope with me. No matter the shade, brown is beautiful to me. It may be the color of cocoa, honey, or tea. From light brown to deep brown and everything in between, as long as you're kind, it doesn't matter to me. Our browns may be different, or they might be the same. Each brown is unique in its own special way. But one thing I know that is true to the end. I will always be proud to call you my friend. The end. Special thanks to Kimberly Davis-Peters for granting permission to read aloud Ellie and the Rainy Day and Cocoa, Tea, and Honey. Make sure to check out elliesbookshop.com to find out more about the author and to get your own copy of her books. Thanks for joining me on Storytime with Tristan. To find out how you can purchase today's book, take an online reading class with me, or learn how you can purchase shirts like mine to help support fostering, adoption, education, and dog rescue, click the description below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so that you can stay up to date on all my latest videos. I'll see you next time for another reading adventure.